Hi folks, Levon here from Fungaia Farm. Today we're going to give you some tips on how to care for and get the most out of your oyster mushroom kit. Once you get your oyster kit home, open the humidity tent and fold back the top of the box. Then fold the top edge of the humidity tent to help it stay open. Next, find a well-lit windowsill with minimal direct sun, but plenty of light. As soon as the mushrooms emerge from the inner bag, begin misting daily. Holes have already been made in the inner bag to allow the mushrooms to fruit out of. As the mushrooms grow, continue misting the mushrooms daily. The mushrooms will reach maturity in about 4 to 5 days. Harvest the mushrooms before the caps begin to curl upwards. To harvest the mushrooms, clusters should be grabbed and pulled or cut from the inner bag. After harvesting, mist and close the humidity tank to encourage more flushes of mushrooms. Our kits will produce 2 to 3 flushes on average over 1 to 2 months. Once harvested, cook the fresh mushrooms as soon as possible. Cut off any straw and mycelium attached to the bottom of the mushroom clusters. Slice the mushrooms in long strips lengthwise. To sweat the mushrooms, add them to a hot skillet with no water or oil. Allow all water to cook off before adding oil and salt. Once the water is all cooked off, now it's time to add the oil. A pinch of salt, once the mushrooms turn a nice deep golden brown, they're ready to add to your favorite dish. Thanks for watching and have fun growing and cooking with your delicious and nutritious oyster mushrooms.